Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1 inch from 2C CFL to our UB54 series LED kit. This LED kit comes with 1 LED strips, 1 LED drivers, 1 6-pin pigtail. To upgrade from CFL to LED is quite simple. Let me show the part number first. This screen is made by Uptrends and same as the Mitsubishi. The screen part number is here, AA121SL03. AA121SL03. It has a 800 by 600 resolutions. To remove it, it's simple. You see this plastic clip here? See this? You push it, grab the wire, take it out. See that? Alright, see the lamp is pretty bad, you know, on both sides. It's black. You can't use it anymore. To take it out, it's easy. So, I mean, if you look at it, well, let's remove it first. And just oops, it's a little bit tricky than what I think. Basically just had to take it out because this is the opening is not really what we call is close up a little bit. See, here we go. Since you remove one end, it's easy. You just pull this in. See? Okay, so now the wire come up this side. If you look at bottom, it's completely flat. Perfect. Okay, so with that way we can stick on the bottoms. Alright, just stick on the bottom. And then just push it down one section at a time. Make sure you stick to a reflector. Oh, just push hard one section at a time. No? And then it will stick really good to the reflectors. Now it's done. See? So when you mount it, you try to move here and add a piece of wire to secure a LED harness. Oops. Okay. Here we go. Done. Okay. So connect it to this end can connect to either end. It's gonna be fine. Okay. When you purchase a kit, the tip switch already been set, so you don't have to worry about it. Unless you want to set different setting, then you can refer to our websites. And this 6-pin pigtails included. Basically, red is for the positive, black is for the negative. White is no connection, for just mentioned no connection. But yellow is really important. It's called enable. You need to apply anywhere between 3.5 to 5 volts. If usually you can find all the supply voltage on your inverter wire harness. In case you couldn't find it, and then it's this jumper JB2. You can short it out. So when JB2 is short, just apply positive to red, negative to black, and that's it. It's quite easy to do it. Thanks for watching.